Here's everything we did in Hong Kong and Macau, and kung paano ba namin napagkasya yung 19,000 pesos na budget for 5 days and 4 nights. That includes our flight, hotel, tours, transportation, and food budget. We flew via Cebu Pacific and nasa 8,100 lang yung airfare namin for 2. June yung flight and 8 months before naman kami nakapag-book. 5,890 pesos yung travel tax and 20 kilogram baggage to and from Hong Kong. We stayed at Kong Hing Guest House for 7,700 for 4 nights. Located lang to sa Mongkok along Nathan Road, walking distance lang din sa Mongkok MTR, Sneaker Street, and Ladies Market. Meron naman yan sa Agoda and Klook. Gamitin nyo na lang yung promo code natin dyan sa baba para sa extra discount. So for our day 1, ang nagastos namin is yung Grab papuntang airport, eSIM from Klook na sinetup na namin sa Philippines pa lang, and yung airport bus from the airport. Gabi na rin pala yung arrival namin, so kumain na lang kami ng dinner. For our day 2 naman, we decided na unahin namin yung Macau. Day trip lang kami and medyo tipid nga today kasi we were able to claim a free ferry ride to Macau. May video guide nga ako about dyan, check nyo na lang sa playlist ko. Nakarating kami ng Senado Square, Ruins of St. Paul, The Londoner, Parisian, Venetian Macau, and nagbus na lang din kami pabalik ng Hong Kong for 450 pesos each. For our day 3, nag-Ngongping 360 kami na binook din namin online. Sa taas, nagpa-picture lang kami sa Big Buddha and Pauline Monastery, and pagbaba naman, nandun na yung City Gate outlets where you can find the famous Bakehouse Egg Tart. And dito na rin pala kami bumili ng lunch sa supermarket sa baba. If di rin kayo magde-Disneyland like us, pwede na kayong dumaan doon since malapit na rin naman. For our day 4, Central Hong Kong naman yung in-explore namin. Better to go here nang bago mag-open yung Sky Terrace para konti pa lang yung tao. And pre-book nyo na rin online yung tickets para dire-diretso na lang kayo. We booked ours on Klook and you can use the promo code SummerdryClock for extra discount. We also went to Prison Yard, Central Mid-Levels Escalator, Vision Bakery, and to end our last day, nag-run kami from Mongkok to TST area. Maganda nga mag-picture dito at night sa Cultural Center, Clock Tower, Avenue of Stars, and may Symphony of Lights naman by 8 p.m. For our day 5, 9 a.m. yung flight namin, so 6:20 pa lang, nag-aabang na kami na airport bus, and for our breakfast naman, nag-lounge na lang kami sa airport para libre lang. Nasa 36,500 nga yung naging total namin for 2, plus yung mga solo expense namin sa transpo. So ang naging total namin per person is 19,900 lang. Add nyo na nga lang yung Disneyland tickets nyo sa total kung nasa itinerary nyo yon. Kaya kung may plano ka rin mag Hong Kong and Macau anytime soon, save mo na tong video and follow me for more travel tips like this.